Hey guys, Sabutar here. Just doing a quick video on my basil plant experiment with my Aerogarden 7. What I've done is I've replaced the normal lights. Let's see if I can show you them. So normally it comes with two lights. What I've done is I've replaced it with three of the screw-in lights. They're CFLs. I think their temperature is 5000 K. I chose that because my thought process thinks that with that temperature you're going to get more vegetative. So with basil, I don't want it to be flowering, so I'm trying to help that as much as I can. I've also added a air tube to the bottom of it to keep it oxygenated. And I also went out and ordered off of Amazon the seed pods, or the germinating pods, and I also did a clone of a basil plant outside, so we'll see how that works. These two here are grown from seeds, and that one I just cloned today with some cloning gel. If it takes and it works, I'll do a video on that. Right now, I'm just using the Aerogarden plant food that came with the pods. As this moves forward, I'm going to be trying out different nutrients in the system, and we'll see how that goes. So right now, I've just had it in there for, I believe I had it in there for a week. Last Monday's when I started it out. So today is Wednesday, so about a week and a half. I got those two basil plants coming up, so that's good. And hopefully that one in the back will take. It kind of looks sorry right now. It looks like the leaves are folding up. I just transplanted it about 15 minutes ago, so we'll see if that'll take. Thanks for watching.